అర్థం తీయండి అర్థం తీయమని మ్యాక్సిమం దీంట్లో రాదులేదు Same by example 4. Minus root 3 plus minus root 2 into 2 root 3 minus I in the form of a plus ib. Okay, in the form of a plus ib you can write. So here what you can write, sir? Both sides you can multiply now. Minus root 3 into 2 root 3 minus I plus here minus root 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. Okay, so now here minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus into minus plus root 3 I. Here I will write now I square is equal to minus 1. No? I square is equal to minus 1 means here I will write plus 2I root into 2I 2 root 3 minus I. Any problem? Okay, so now here minus 2 root 3 into root 3 nana 3 you can write plus root 3I. Here 2 root 2 into root 3 root 6I minus root 2 I into I square. Again I square value what you can write, sir? Minus 1 you can write. So now here minus 6 plus root 3I plus 2 root 6I. I square means minus 1 plus root 2. So here root 2 minus 6 I you can take common now. So here what you can write, sir? Root 3 plus I. So in this form is equal a plus ib. Okay, one second copy now.
మంది కాదు ఈ ప్లేస్ లో ప్రాణంకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఏమన్నా
Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Completed, Amma?
Completed, sir.
Completed, ra?
Yes, sir.
So, now example 5. Find the multiplication inverse of the z is equal 2 minus 3i. Multiplicative and the inverse of the means. See what you can write now. Z inverse is equal mod of z by mod of z whole square, you can write formula, yes. So mod of z whole square means here when z is equal to 2 minus 3i is given, z bar is equal to 2 plus 3i means conjugate value. Here minus means here plus means here minus. That is conjugate value of that one. So here what you can write, sir? When you got z inverse means see 1 by z also you can write. 1 by z means what you can write, Nana? 1 by 2 minus 3i. So 1 minus 2 minus 3i means in this conjugate value, numerator and denominator you can multiply opposite sign 2 plus 3i. So here what you can write, sir? 2 plus 3i by a minus b into a plus b. Already you know a minus b into a plus b means what you can write, sir? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. So here 2 square minus 3i whole square. Means what is the values are here? 2 plus 3i by 2 square means 4 plus 3 square means 9. Yes. Already I square value minus 1. So what you can write, sir, here? 2 by 13 plus 3 by 13 into 5. Okay. Once you can copy now. Here if you do this step also you can correct only mod of z means you can write mod of z means you can write values, square of the values. What is the square of the values, sir? 2 square plus 3 square means 13. ఓకే మీ పేరెంట్కి ఒకసారి ఫోన్ సరే. Completed, ra? Open the mouth, ra? Completed or not?
Sir, not completed. Sir.
Completed, ah?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Completed, amma? Lavanya?
Sir,
Sir,
you just
Completed, amma? Okay.
no, sir.
Okay, okay. Hey, Khalid. Hey, కింద పడుతుంది. Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Next one, example 6. Express the following form. First one, 5 plus root 2 into I by 1 minus 2 root 2 into I. So here also in denominator value conjugate to. So minus means plus, you have to multiply 5 plus root 2 into I by 1 minus root 2 into I. So 1 plus root 2 into I by 1 plus root 2 into I. Here a minus b into a plus b. You can apply a minus b into a plus b means already you know formula a square minus b square. This formula you can apply. So here 5 into 1 plus root 2 into I plus root 2 into I 1 plus root 2 into I by a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square means root 2 I whole square. So now here 5 into 1 5 plus 5 root 2 I plus root 2 into I plus root 2 into root 2 I into I square by 1 minus into minus plus 2. So here what you can write, sir? I square is equal to, you can write minus 1. So 5 plus 1 6 root 2 I, here 2 into 2 root 2 into root 2 2 I square value minus 1 by 3. So finally what you can write, sir? 5 minus 2 means 3 plus 6 root 2 I by 3. So 3 by 3 plus 6 root 2 by 3 into I. 3 will get cancelled. 3 2s are. So 1 plus 2 root 2 I. That is called by a plus ib. Okay. So a value is 1, b value is 2 root 2. Anyone doubt?
No,
One
sir.
second copy. Okay. So sixth main, second one I power minus 35. So here I power minus 35 what you can write na? I power 35 you can write na? Yes. So I power 35 means already it told divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Remainder 3. So here I will write I power 4 into 8 plus 3. So I cube value what you can write na? Minus I only no. So I cube means I square into I. So minus I by minus I. When you got minus I means numerator and denominator you can multiply with I. I into I minus I by I square. I square value minus I by minus 1 35. Okay. Once you can copy none. Once you can copy and you can try exercise 5.1 first main first one. Completed, amma. Completed, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next on the page number 103, exercise 5.1, first main, 5y into minus 3 by 5 into I. I will give time, Nana, 2 minutes. What is the answer you can say, Emma? అయిపోలేదన్న పాప So what is the answer?
3 plus I0, sir.
Ma? 3 plus I0. Super. Same here, minus 3 into 5, 15, I into I square by 5. So 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, minus 3. I square is equal to what you can write, sir? Minus 1. So that's why minus 1. So minus into minus means plus 3. But what is asking, Nana? In the form A plus IB can write. A plus IB means what you can write, Nana, here? 3 plus 0 into I. 3 plus 0 into I. 0 into something, 0. So that's why Suprama. If you completed this one, You can try second one, Nana. Second problem. I power 9 I power 9 plus I power 19. If you completed this one, second problem you can try I power 9 plus I power 19. Completed, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the second sum answer, Amma? Second sum you can try.
0 plus 0.
Amma? I power 9
Sir, 0 plus
plus
0, sir.
I power 19. So 9, how many times, Nana? 4 2s are 8, remainder 1. 19, 4, 4 4 is a 16, remainder is 3. So here I will write I value, 9 value, 4 into 2 plus remainder is 1 plus I value 4 into 4, 16 plus 3. So this value is 0. So remainder value I power 1 plus this remainder value 3. I power 1 means what you can write, sir? I only. I cube means what you can write, Nana? I cube means I
Minus
square
1, sir.
into, yes, minus I. Minus I. So minus I. So 0. 0. So what you can write, Nana, here? 0 plus 0 I format. Okay. So once you can copy in. Third one, Nana, homework. Otherwise, now itself also you can complete it. I power minus 39. I power minus 39. Same example. Sixth, second one. Okay, fourth one I will explain. చెల్లెకి చూపి పో. బాయ్ బాయ్. మళ్ళీ రా, క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక రా. నువ్వు జాడలే. అబ్బో కంప్లీటెడ్ రా.
Yes, sir.
సో నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ అమ్మా. 3 into 7 plus 7i plus I into 7 plus 7i. See here, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into 7, 21i plus I into 7i plus 7i square. So now here 21 plus 28i minus 7. So I square is equal minus 1. So 21 7 means 14 plus 28i. A plus IB. Fifth one you can do, Nana. Fifth one homework. Okay. తిన్నవా చాక్ పీస్ తినకూడదు వద్దు 2 తిన్నవా 2 పో కడుక్కోపో ಹೋಗನ್ನ ಗಡುಗುತ್ತಾడు పో ఇది చాక్ పీస్ తిన్నదారా కంప్లీటెడ్ రా
Yes, sir.
నెక్స్ట్ 6th one అమ్మా 1/5 plus 2y by 5 minus of 4 plus I or 5/2 or I, anything you can write down. So here what you can write, sir, is equal 1/5 2/5 I minus 4 minus 5/2 into I. Constant values you can write, I terms you can write one side, 5 minus 4 plus 2/5 I minus 5/2 I. Here what is the LCM, sir? 1 into 5, 20/5. I will take common, means 2/5 minus 5/2. So here what you can write, sir? Minus 19/5, 2 into 2, 4 minus 5 into 5, 25/10. So minus 19/5, so minus 21/10. A plus I. Okay, once you can copy now. Once you can copy and you can do 7th also. Okay.